G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from the Winton area. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Just go a bit closer. Okay, you can see the white there, that's the reflection of the lights. Quite a nice bar of colour through the middle. Natural seam through the middle there, so you end up with two stones. Maybe make them a pair for earrings. Top of this has got more colour in it up here than the bottom, but there's still reds and pinks down here as well. The other pieces have basically been thrown in. It's fairly rough. This is an interesting piece on the end here. Burnt orangey brown, burnt orange and reds, not brown. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.